do you want, man, Davey?
I want to come in, open the door, mate.
No, you're not coming in.
Of course I'm coming in, open the door.
She doesn't want to see you, all right? Just get lost.
Mate, she's only 2. She doesn't know what I'm like. Of course she wants to see us. I'm her dad.
Not the Ben, man. Not the Ben, all right? Janice.
Yeah.
Janice doesn't want to see you.
Yeah, Janice can go sit on the bed upstairs for 10 minutes. I'll only be 10 minutes. Open the door, mate.
No, you're not coming in, all right? We're not causing another argument.
Mate,
Okay?
mate, I don't want any arguments. This is my house. These are my balloons for me daughter. This is my present. I'll just be 5 minutes, honestly. Just open the door, mate.
Do you not remember what happened at her last birthday party?
Yeah, she was 1. Yeah.
Aye, you vomited in all of her doll's hair.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
You took a piss in her new tent.
Yeah, who cleaned that piss out? Who cleaned the piss out of the tent? It was me.
Me?
No, it wasn't you. No, it was me.
You passed out in the garden.
Yeah, that's not my fault. I didn't have a way to sleep that night. I'll not have a drink. I'll not have a drink, I promise. Only a soft drink. Lilt or something.
Look, mate, this might be lads banter to you, but this is serious, all right?
Yeah, I know I'm capable of having a serious conversation. I'll sit down, no drink, no puking, no piss. Just open the door, mate, 5 minutes.
Well, hang on a minute. How did you even get here, man? When did you get out?
Mate, that's none of your business. Hello, Daddy's here. Hello, sweetheart.
Get out!
No.
Fuck off. I'll see you in court.
Just let us in. Come on.
Chuck them gifts straight in the bin.
No, don't chuck them in the bin. There's 25 quid's worth of balloons there.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Stop singing, Davey. Happy birthday.
Day, dear Isabel.
Stop singing.
Happy birthday to you.